Lee? What are you doing?
Driving to Braunston
What for?
to go to Midland Chandlers.
What for?
Pick up our basin that we ordered.
I wish it weren't so bouncy in the car. We're going to Midland Chandlers to pick up a sink. We bought the taps, but the sink wasn't in stock last time we went. And then it was getting sent to us for last Tuesday, but it got crushed in transit. And now we've got a new one. So hopefully this one won't be crushed and it won't have a chip in it or nothing. And we're going to be remodelling or doing up the bathroom aboard Hannah the Narrowboat. So hopefully it'll be alright. Did I say we got the taps already? We did buy the taps. So I've got to do some plumbing, and I don't even do plumbing. So there could be water inside the boat as well as outside the boat. And we're going to go and get some boat numbers. Well, Lee's going to get some boat numbers. So we're going to go and have a little wander along the canal as well. Bye! Lee, is it off yet?
Operations.
And here we have a lesser spotted boat spotter. Did you hear what she just said to me? I'm not going through there. I'm going round it. I know. Lee, what we doing? And I'm quite happy because I've got beer. And Lee's got boat numbers. We've left the car in the car park at the pub so that we can have a little walk along here. For what? For boat numbers. Is it a secret, Lee? I think everyone knows that you're a boat spotter now.
Everyone's going to know how weird I am.
I don't know whether she's farting or what there. Didn't like that. Lee,
Yes, dear.
it's raining. We've had a little walk, haven't we, Lee? We got our sink. We went to the pub and had a couple of beers. Well, I had a couple of beers. Lee was very good and didn't have any beers at all, honestly, police officer. What else did we do, Lee? We met some people that know us. Didn't we, Lee?
We did.
Because we're obviously really famous. And that's it, really. I said we got our sink, didn't we? We got our sink, Lee. It's quite exciting. I did get that sinking feeling when we had to part over with 113 odd quid or whatever it is, 119 pounds for a bit of plastic sink. Where are you going? You going that way? Oh, I don't know where you're going.
This way now.
No, you're right though. I thought it was a different roundabout, Lee. Did you see how I was scared
I
of it?
thought I was going the highway and then you...
It's all too much. I was just saying, Lee got loads of boat numbers, didn't you, Lee? How many did you get?
About 30, I think.
She's a weirdo. She could have got over 100 without a doubt, but she's too scared to get her binoculars out because she thinks people think she'd be weird looking through at their boats. But she's only getting numbers. She's not looking at their things or anything. I nearly died then. I'm going now. Bye.